Hey everyone. So in this second video of this series, we'll be looking into more detail on how to integrate web3 using an injected wallet. And for the purposes of this video, we will be using MetaMask specifically. So we will use MetaMask's injected wallet to integrate web3 into our web applications. Okay, so before we do all that, I do want to point out that um, I created this um, React Next.js app to demonstrate how we will integrate these libraries into our web applications, and I will link the GitHub repo in the video description. So, all right, I guess we can get into how we will use um, injected wallet libraries, specifically MetaMask, into our web app. Okay, so I do have this MetaMask component, React component. What we will be doing is that uh, we will for now we will connect to MetaMask. We will connect our web app to MetaMask, and then we will have functionality to get the connected wallet address inside the web app from MetaMask. We'll also have conditional states wherein if it's connected, we will show a disconnect wallet button, and if it's disconnected, it will show a connect wallet button. Then we will have a donate um, button, which simply will just send some ETH over to my wallet address. Okay, so let's see what this looks like in the browser. And yeah, it has some like an injected label here. It has a title, and then it has a button that doesn't do anything right now. Okay, so mm, let's see. Okay, so let's see if we can try and get a the connected state for the wallet. Let's just check if the wallet is connected to the web app. So I know right now it's really not connected, but let's just get the code for that. Okay, so all right, so um, the usual way of that these injected wallets work is that they do it through the window.ethereum object. So they expose their APIs through window.ethereum. So if I go to the browser and I go to the console, uh, to the dev console, and I have the Ethereum, oh no, the MetaMask wallet here, it will show that by type window.ethereum, it will actually have an object. Um, but compared to if, let's say, we do not have an injected wallet installed in the browser, uh, let's go to just open a new incognito tab. So this doesn't have MetaMask installed. If I type window.ethereum, you will see that it is undefined as compared to here where it's actually an object. So yeah, that is a way that you can have some functionality in your web app to check if a wallet is installed or not. So usually you would do that. But yeah, let's go ahead and check if we can get the connected state. And yeah, this will make sense in a little bit, hopefully. Okay, so if we go window Ethereum is connected. It says true. Am I actually connected right now? Huh. Localhost 3000. Let me see. It is not connected. But why does it say true? Okay, apologies. The Ethereum that is connected method, it doesn't really actually have anything to do with whether the wallet is connected or not. It just means that the Ethereum object can make RPC calls. So we do need to find another function to be able to retrieve the connected state. All right, so actually the easiest way to check if the injected wallet is connected to your web app is just call selected I think is it selected address property. So if you go Ethereum selected address, and if it's not, it means it's disconnected. So we can actually get this state in our component, right? So we can go on uh, let's just make a state for this. It's connected, that is connected. Yeah. Then we are going to use a use effect. I recommend using a use effect because window objects do not or are not always available in a component's lifecycle. So by using a use effect, we guarantee that window, the window object is accessible. So we go set is connected. We go window Ethereum. I would boolean window Ethereum dot selected address. So now we actually have a state that tells us whether we are connected or not. Why is this mad? That's fine. Oh, because we are using TypeScript. So yes, ignore that. All right. So if we are not connected, we can use that property right there. Is connected. Yeah. Let's just put an empty button here. Disconnect. Class name. What was that? Style stack button, of course. Okay, so since we are not connected, it should show that yeah, it still shows the connect wallet. Let's see if I set this to true. Oh yeah, because I already, yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's see if we can now connect directly. We can connect our web app to MetaMask. We have on click equals and let's put it as inline. And what we have to do is we actually have to send a request. So do it like this. Window here request. Yeah. So as you can see, TypeScript is not actually um, really friendly to injected wallets because they're usually pure JavaScript and we do not have types for them. We'll just we'll just brute force our way through this using the TS ignore. All right. So uh, this should uh, ask us to connect our MetaMask to the web app. Okay. So now if we go back to our web app and I click this, uh, as you can see, it will now ask me to connect my MetaMask. And I will actually use another account for this and then connect. Oh, I should have changed something like set is connected to true. Okay, so let's hook up our disconnect button first. All right, so mm, yeah. So to disconnect our wallet, we actually just have to go to MetaMask and this, and we can disconnect this account, right? And if we refresh this, say connect wallet. Okay, so let's get rid of having a disconnect button. And we'll just say that if we are connected, we can just have some sort of label. Label. Let me see. Uh, I do not. Yeah, it doesn't even need to be that. So, okay, so what we want to do is we want to have another state here. Let's say selected address. Yeah. And then when we connect, let's display this here. Connected to selected address. I want to do something like a ternary here. Uh, Selected address. Mm, okay. All right. It should be good to go. But we don't need this actually, do we? And now on in here, uh, we need to do an await on this actually. So async, and we need to await this. Then set uh, selected address. There we go. So we should be able to see if we connect it, we will have a selected address. Okay. Yep, that should be fine. So if you refresh this, connect wallet. This account 3. Yeah, and there we go. we have our connected wallet. Now, since we're already connected, um, we can now send some Ethereum from our web app to some area. So let's create another button right here. Okay. So if we are connected, I'll create a button. Button, say donate 0.01. Let's see what that looks like. I want this to be last name equals. Okay, that looks a lot better. And what we can do is that we can call directly from MetaMask, but that kind of code would be um, very clunky to use. So that's why we usually use a convenience library, and my favorite convenience library for Ethereum would be ethers.js. Some people use web3. Um, but yeah, I think most people use ethers nowadays. It's basically the meta of convenience libraries for Ethereum. So let's go ahead and install that and install ethers. Okay. Uh, okay. So now we can import our ethers library, and then we can hook up the click handler for this donate button. On click, so what I want to do is get an ethers provider. So we can go cons provider equals, yeah, window.ethereum, or should it be signer? Yeah, it is. We're gonna get a signer. Cons provider that gets signer, and then we're gonna send send ETH. Signer dot send transaction. Yeah, looks good. Two. Let's just hard code this to my ENS. So with ethers, you can use an ENS address, or you can use the regular old Ethereum addresses. So that's the convenience part of this ethers convenience library. And then value, that's perfect. And then that should be it. Let's see if we can actually get this to send our 0.01 ETH. So I do this. Oh yeah. So ENS does not work if you are on a testnet. So we are on Gurley testnet, so that doesn't work. But if we were on Ethereum mainnet, for example, we are not connected. Let me just refresh this. Am I not connected? Try. Oh, should be connected. It just says not connected because we do not. Let's just set an address here. Yep, should be perfect. I know I got connected, but I do not have enough ETH. So this is really getting off the rails now. But my account 3 does not have enough ETH, but it does recognize the ENS. So let's just go back to the early test then. Test network. I'm gonna go ahead and copy my main wallet address so that we could just hard code it here. Okay. And now I should be able to donate this. Yeah. So we're sending 0.01 ETH to my main address, which is here, count 1. So confirm that. And that should be it. Now we have a working web3 dApp. So we converted our web application to be able to work with an injected wallet. Okay, so I'll be back tomorrow with another video, and tomorrow should be a better video because it's a little bit, I'm a little bit more familiar with using Web3 modal and WAGMI and those other more advanced libraries. It's been a long while since I've used injected libraries in my code, but yeah, this is something that you could use, and hopefully this will uh, be helpful. I hope this is helpful to Jesus, why am I rambling? So I hope this is in any way helpful to you guys. And if you have any more questions, just put them down in the comments below. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.